After the Amber Heard trial, Johnny Depp reprises his role as Jack Sparrow in Pirates of the Caribbean. Despite his contentious legal dispute with his ex-wife Amber Heard, the 59-year-old actor will reprise his legendary role 5 years after the conclusion of the previous film. A Day at the Sea is the name of the most recent film in the series, according to Disney. According to a new call sheet from the production, Johnny Depp, who originated the role of Captain Jack Sparrow in all the previous Pirates of the Caribbean movies, will conduct a test shoot in the UK in February. A Day at the Sea, according to a source close to Disney, will be the title of their most recent film. According to a source who spoke to The Sun, Johnny is planning to reprise his role as Captain Jack Sparrow and will begin production in the UK at the beginning of February. Everything is still in the planning stages, and the film, A Day at the Sea, still doesn't have a director. Before the production gets started, Johnny is anticipated to perform a test shot in the first part of February. Those in the know have been given a call sheet. Bruce Hendricks, who contributed to the first 3 movies, is listed as the new project's executive producer. All of the other information is secure and locked away. Disney wants to keep as much of the project's details under wraps as they can. The Curse of the Black Pearl, which came out in 2003, was the 59-year-old actor's screen debut as Sparrow. Over £3.4 billion was made in the first 5 movies alone, and Depp reportedly earned over £200 million. However, his continued participation in the franchise was called into question when he became involved in a number of legal disputes. In November 2020, after being called a wife abuser in a piece about him and his ex-wife Amber Heard, he lost his libel trial against The Sun. Depp, who filed a defamation lawsuit against the 36-year-old actress after divorcing her in 2016 after 1 year of marriage, was successful in June. Depp was questioned by Heard's defense team about whether he would ever return during that trial. Nothing on earth would convince you to return and work with Disney on a Pirates of the Caribbean movie if they came to you with $300 million and 1 million alpacas. That is accurate, Depp retorted. Women's charities expressed worry after learning that Depp had been cast in the role once more. Women's Aid stated, "It is crucial that all employers, including those in the film and television industries, take domestic violence allegations or convictions seriously. Domestic violence is dangerously implied to be less serious when it is quickly forgotten about and swept under the rug. The severity of domestic violence could not be greater, with 3 women in the UK being killed by a current or former partner every 2 weeks. Margot Robbie said last week that a new Pirates project with a female lead had been scrapped. It was thought that the production was made to fill the void left by Depp's departure from the franchise. According to Robbie, 32, who spoke to Variety, "We had an idea and we were developing it for a while, ages ago, to have more of a female-led story. It wouldn't be entirely female-led, but we thought it would have been really cool. But I suppose they are unwilling to do it."